and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be trying on my first wig that I bought. I went to a YouTube channel, Susu, and she did a review of this wig from Aeryn 21. So I decided that I would take her opinion and go ahead and try myself. So this is not a tutorial, it's just me purchasing it and trying for the first time to put on a wig, like the whole method with the wig cap and all that. So when it came in a black box like this, cute little bow. There's a little tag here. It says, "Best love, the most beautiful at the first sight." And they send some oil wig conditioner so that you can reuse the wig numerous times. There's little packets like this. There's like, I think like 30 or something in here, maybe 20. The wig comes in this nice velvety velour little bag. Here's the actual wig.
If you want to see how I braid down my hair for under the wig, click this video here.
And they send a wig cap, well, 2 wig caps, and the product description here. So I got the Silky straight in 22 inches.
What I really liked about this wig is that it was pretty full, the hair. As you can see, it's nice and full. It was pre-plucked. It didn't match my hairline exactly, but it was still pre-plucked around the edges. And it also had these wig clips in here, so it would be snug, and this elastic band thingy for the back of the head to help hold it on. For this wig install, I used my favorite gel in the world, the Eco Style Coconut. Got to be glued free spray, some scalp oil, this Ghost Bond wig glue, Cover FX powder for blending, flat iron, blow dryer, scissors, scrunchies, and my comb, and a toothbrush.
Okay, so first I'm going to just gel down my hair so that it doesn't get caught in the glue, because I'm trying to grow my hair. It's the main reason why I'm trying this wig thing out as a protective style. I usually do twists or braids or just kind of do wash and goes, but I think I've hit like a rut. My hair's been like this length for the past year. Just put some scalp oil because I don't want it to get dry under there. My hopes are that I can put this on for at least a week and just keep these braids. Smells so good. Like I said, I've never done this before, so we're gonna struggle together here. What I do is I'm gonna put those into the middle there, and then that's gonna go into that little slot, and then that's gonna go into that slot. So that it's still kind of flat in the back too.
So basically I'm taking the tail of the braid and I'm sticking it in between the other braids so that the tails aren't just hanging out or bunching up at the bottom. Yeah, I don't know why I always look like I'm concerned when I'm getting ready, but
now I'm going to take the Got2b spray and just kind of go right along the hairline, because we're just kind of gluing down the wig cap to cover my hairline, because when we put the wig on, the wig needs to replace the hairline and it needs to look like that scalp. blow dryer on cool. After the first time, because I'm gonna spray it twice, it cut into the ear. And just so that it can lay flat all the way down. It's a sideburn kind of thing. Trying to sneak out. Okay. It's better now. Spray it again. Not too much.
Decided I had to pull it down. It was actually kind of hard to cut this off because I don't know, it just wants to like ravel away, so I tried so hard to like cut it without cutting my hair. It's hard. What I learned though is if I just go in the small sections, it makes it a little bit more manageable, and like even right here, it was close to my hair, and I'm pretty sure I snipped off some of my sideburn. Then I just take my Cover FX powder, or whatever powder you're going to be using, to match my skin tone, and I'm just covering up the hairline so that it looks more like it's blending and I get rid of the dark color of my hair shining through. Woo! I'm finally putting on the wig. Guys, clearly this was just not my forte for the first time. I got rid of actually doing the tutorial, so the rest of this is just gonna be voiceover, I guess. I'm pretty much just adjusting the wig where I want it before I start any of the gluing down process. Just flailing it around, just messing around. Then I'm gonna tie my hair back so that the hair doesn't get stuck in any of the glue. Just put it all back like away from the face. Huh. See that? See that little thing? Wait for it. This stupid wig cap falls on my shoulder. Yeah. Anyways, okay. Sorry, it's just sometimes I'm a perfectionist, so I'm like, everyone's gonna notice that thing on my shoulder. So, anyways, so I'm just really adjusting the wig to exactly where I want it before I'm gonna now flip it back. Now, take my Ghost Bond glue and I'm just gonna put little dots right, well, I should have done it closer to the wig cap, but right along the hairline, little dots. Then I'm gonna get my rat tail comb and I'm gonna push the glue dots back towards the hairline. After I make sure it's all even out, I'm gonna get my blow dryer and just make it dry and tacky. Then basically, I'm just gonna do the exact same thing all over again. And now it's the moment we've all been dreading. Gluing it down. Actually, I was so terrified. I'm like, wasn't even like going back and forth. Okay, so I pull it. I'm just gonna pull it down from the side so that it is centered and then lays down to the sides properly. And then I saw to use a comb to kind of push it down so you don't get sticky on your fingers. Okay, gonna speed it up. And now the second part we're all dreading, actually cutting the lace. Now, I did kind of the same thing that I did with the wig cap by making little slits and then working in sections. So I start right in the middle. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut down the sides. So after I'm looking at it now, even just cutting off the initial part of the lace, it already kind of looks pretty good from all the work that we put in beforehand. So I left the little bottom part of the lace because I'm going to actually cut it because it's longer and it covers my ear. So I'm actually going to cut that off in some of the hair. Then I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. Then I just go in for some cleaning up any of the extra lace that comes out farther than what's glued down. I think it looks so good even before I'm cutting off that extra stuff. It looks like it is actually attached to my head. Ooh, yes. Work it. Oh. Now I'm just gonna brush it for you guys to see what it looks like and how much shedding kind of comes out. It's not that much. I was pretty impressed. I'm brushing it all sort of ways to like see really if I'm gonna lose any of this hair. I really liked how soft the hair felt too. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and style it and show you what the finished product is going to look like. Bum, ba-da-ba. So I just added some curls here. Did my makeup too, obviously. But I hope you guys liked my little video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.